Here are ways you can judge good quality honey. Have you ever wondered what makes good quality honey? Have you ever asked yourself what makes one honey better than the other? If you have, this video will help you distinguish quality honey from a wide variety you may find in the supermarket. What makes good quality honey? Good quality honey is purely made from the nectar of flowers. It is not altered by any other substances like sweeteners or flavoring. Most organic honey in Singapore are better quality because they guarantee purity and potency, which you need to look for when you buy honey in Singapore. How to judge good quality honey. Look at the water content. Honey with high water levels tends to dilute its flavor and freshness, making the honey less tasty and inferior in quality. That said, good quality honey should naturally have low water and moisture content. Check the pollen content. Another great way to evaluate the quality of honey is through pollen content. Pollen gives honey its beneficial properties like antioxidants, pain-relieving effects, and antibacterial qualities. So, good quality honey should have high pollen content. Examine the color. Some light-colored jars of honey have a strong flavor, while other dark-colored ones are pleasantly mild. Though both have their unique tastes and benefits, darker-colored options tend to contain higher mineral content and richer flavor. Helpful tips to choose good quality honey. Go for raw honey. As a rule of thumb, raw honey is the best kind of honey because it's unfiltered and unpasteurized. Raw honey comes directly from the source, and they contain all the nutrients and minerals you need to get the maximum health benefits from honey. Lastly, the source of the honey can tell you about the flavor and the quality as well. If they come from organic farms or are imported from the top honey-producing countries, they're trustworthy brands you can buy honey from. The importance of finding good quality honey. When you choose good quality honey, you are assured that there are no additives to dilute the product, thereby keeping the richness of the flavor intact. Additionally, pure organic honey has incredible health benefits. So, be more conscious about the honey you buy and never settle for less than real organic honey.